Okay guys, I had some questions about number 3 on the worksheet. I'm going to go ahead and use an example from 8.4 notes, part B, to set that up, and then give you some pointers again for part 3 by doing that problem partially. For part B, notice I have two different denominators. I cannot find a common multiple to change this denominator into x plus 4 or change x plus 4 into x plus 6. So what I need to do is multiply them together to get the common denominator. So for the first fraction, I'm going to multiply by x plus 6 over x plus 6. Notice that since I'm multiplying rational functions, I'm putting parentheses around the binomials. For the second fraction here, I'm going to multiply it by x plus 4 over x plus 4. And so now this becomes the next step here. So now notice this denominator and this denominator look alike. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and distribute in the first fraction 3 into x and 3 into 6. So therefore I'll now get 3x plus 6, and at the very bottom I end up with x plus 6 times x plus 4. Then minus x plus 4 times 1 on the second fraction just remains as x plus 4. Now remember that multiplication has a cumulative property. A cumulative property means that I can go ahead and switch the order of this. So I can write it as x plus 6 times x plus 4, and it'll still mean the exact same thing. Okay? So here in this situation, 3 times 6 is not 6, this is 18. Okay. So here, now I can go ahead and combine like terms. So this is 3x plus 18 minus x plus 4. So 3x minus x is 2x. 18 minus 4 is 14. All that divided by x plus 6 times x plus 4. Now in most situations you can simplify further. Here the only thing I can simplify is just factor out a 2 from the top. So 2 times x plus 7, I should call that the top, the numerator. All that divided by x plus 6 times x plus 4. And so that is my answer for the notes for that part. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and look at problem number 3. Problem number 3 looks exactly like part B. So let me go ahead and erase this part. Number 3 is 7 divided by x plus 2 minus 4 divided by x minus 5. Again, I don't have the same denominator. So I need to multiply x plus 2 by x minus 5, and I need to multiply x minus 5 by x plus 2. Going back to our rules of changing out denominators and fractions, I have to multiply the top and the bottom of the fraction with the same factor. So from here, I think I'll let you guys go ahead and tackle this problem on your own here. Okay, just remember your denominator is going to be x minus 5 times x plus 2. Go ahead and distribute appropriately for each fraction, and then combine like terms and see what you get. Okay guys, good luck.